Lots of tomatoes. Looks good. Definitely got to do a weigh-in after this. It is July 23rd, and I have a lot of tomatoes to harvest. They're everywhere. They're down there. There's a bunch in here. Down there. Here. There's a lot over here. This one has tons of them. Tons of tomatoes over here. Down there. Over there. So I'm gonna start picking them. Looks good. Very nice. Look at all these little ones. Probably make a chili, or I'll just make a bunch of tomato paste, I think. That's the easiest, and I'll put it in the freezer. Here's all I got so far, but there are a lot more to go. So far, so good. That's only after a minute or two of picking, and I have like 10 times more that are ripe. Now this one's not ripe yet, but that is probably the biggest Roma tomato that I've ever seen. That is huge. So that's one to monitor. So far, so good. Look at all those. Looking good. All right, I think that's about it. That's what I got. We'll do a weigh-in, see what happens. That's a lot of tomatoes. Looks like I have to make some chili. All right, here we go. I'm gonna weigh it. Barely see it. 54 pounds. All right, that's a lot of tomatoes. Cool.